Bullseye Bros again, and today we're going to teach you how to make these awesome origami claws. And I bet you're wondering how to make these easy things, so let's get started. So you're going to need a piece of origami paper. The first step is to make it look like a diamond. Then you fold this piece of paper up like this to make a triangle, okay? Just like this, okay? Crease. Unfold. Make sure that, see this piece? The line has to be pointing up. Fold. Crease. Now, like this, fold it in half. Fold it in half. Once it's folded in half, there's a blank side that's nothing, and there's a side that's something, like a hole like this, okay? So keep on that side. Fold like this right here. Crease and crease. And see this flap? You want to pop it open pretty much like this. Then you're going to do this right here. And more, then more, all the way till you crease. Okay, so see this? This is quite easy. Put your finger in. Now it looks like this. In order to adjust it, just do this, and you got one. So please subscribe and like this video and share it to the rest of your family if you like it. And goodbye.